In the engineering design process, you first have to identify the problem. Our problem was that our boat needed to float and hold 10 pencils.
The type of boat that we made was a dhow boat. This was the dhow boat that we drew. We used the sail and we made it hollow and flat on the bottom. We made it hollow so that it could float, flat so that it couldn't fall or sink, and we made it bigger so that it could catch air molecules when we test it.
This is the boat we made on Tinkercad. First we got the boat shape and dragged one more in to make it hollow, and then we got a cylinder to make the sail.
This is our prototype. It was our first attempt at making it, and we used the 3D printer. The color is rose gold, and the sail came off.
Now it's time to test the boat. First we're going to put 10 pencils in. 1, 2, now it's time to blow it to see if it will float and move. This was when we tested the boat. 2 of the pencils fell out, so we definitely need to make it bigger next time.
This was our first boat. This was our prototype. And when we made it, the sail fell off. And this is our redesign of the boat. The sail didn't fall off, and we made a lot of progress on it.
If we had more time to work on our boat, we would have made the sail thicker and made our boat wider and longer.